Having a great smile can do a lot to boost your confidence. This week we head off to the Image Dental Studio where its staff helped to give one of their patients a brand new look. This segment is brought to you in part by Image Dental Studio.
Yeah, I'm getting veneers done because I've always been self-conscious of my smile. My teeth are just a little bit crooked at the front, and since I've been a teenager, I wanted them straightened. The veneers are a wonderful way because digitally you know what you're going to get at the end of it, and it only takes about 2 weeks for the procedure from start to finish. So it's a great way to go.
It's people who haven't been happy with their smile, and they've sort of been living with their teeth the way they are for years and years, and something motivates them to do something about it, to look into the options for changing the look of their smile, and we're able to provide that service. It's life transforming for them. The smiles that we see from them when we're finished, it's just incredible to see. We change their lives. We've had patients tell us that they just smile more than they ever have. People who were self-conscious about smiling before. And they're proud of their smiles. They love it. They just don't stop smiling. And that's just so gratifying for us to see. We try and create an atmosphere that makes it relaxing to come to come into our office. We have the headphones that help in terms of relaxing music. We do the paraffin wax treatments on your hands, just something to make things a little bit more comfortable. Our chairs are equipped with back massagers. So we try and put all the niceties in there along with the appointment to change people's perceptions of what it can be like to come to the dentist. So we try and get them over that fear so that they're comfortable to go ahead with the procedure. We do a preliminary evaluation of whether the patient is a good candidate for the procedure. Assuming that they're a good candidate, we'll often take some images of their teeth. We'll show them what things can look like from computer animation or computer image. And as far as the procedure itself goes, it's usually a 2-appointment procedure. We'll spend the first appointment shaping the teeth in such a way that will accommodate the porcelain veneer to the tooth. We'll make temporary veneers to cover the teeth and actually get them to look great at that very first appointment. And then they'll come back generally about a week later, and we'll bond on the permanent veneers at that time. So the first appointment usually is somewhere about 2 to 3 hours in length, again, depending on how many teeth we're treating. And the second appointment will be somewhere about 1 hour to 2 hours, again, depending on how many teeth we're treating. We use a special cement. It's known as a resin or composite resin cement. That's similar to the type of bonding material that we would use when we're bonding a white filling into a tooth. And it forms quite a permanent bond of the veneer to the tooth. The life expectancy will depend a lot on the nature of the patient's bite, how they chew. An average figure will maybe be about 10 years, but we've seen veneers on people's teeth that have lasted for longer than that. So it can vary.
They're really impressed with them. They're amazed at the results. Some of my friends, they looked at me and they weren't sure exactly what had changed. They knew something did, but they weren't sure what it was. So that was good. And all of a sudden people noticed that I had new teeth.